Want to convert an MP4 video into an MKV file? HandBrake makes it easy to change the container while giving you control over video, audio, subtitles, and other settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert MP4 to MKV in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the MP4 video you want to convert and wait for HandBrake to scan the file. Make sure you've selected the correct video before changing any settings. Next, open the Summary tab and find the Format option. Select Matroska Video, which is the MKV container. This changes the output container to MKV while keeping the other encoding settings under your control. Now open the Video tab and review the encoder, frame rate, and quality settings. If you simply want to change the container, avoid changing these settings unnecessarily. Re-encoding the video can take time and may affect quality, so use settings that match your goal. Next, review the Audio and Subtitles tabs. Make sure the audio tracks and subtitle tracks you need are included in the output. Take a moment to check these options, especially if your MP4 contains multiple audio or subtitle tracks. Now choose where you want HandBrake to save the converted file. Enter a file name and make sure the output uses the MKV format. Giving the new file a different name helps you keep the original MP4 untouched. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish processing the video. When it's complete, open the Output folder and play the MKV file to make sure everything works correctly. So you've successfully converted your MP4 video into an MKV file, and that's how to convert MP4 to MKV in HandBrake. Choose the MKV format, review your video, audio, and subtitle settings, select an output location, and start the encode. Once you know where the format option is, the process is pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.